Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to number your document separately in different sections. So like here in this page, I have an older research document. This one is my cover page. So in this document, I'm going to show you how to number differently so that in the cover page, I don't want it to have any number. It will have no number. Then after the cover page, we have our second page, which is saying declaration. So from the declaration part, I want this page to start with Roman numbers, going downwards. Acknowledgement will have a Roman number. Dedication will have a Roman number. Abstract will have a Roman number. Table of contents, Roman number. List of abbreviation, Roman number. Then in my chapter 1, I want it to start with number 1. So this is where my number 1 will start. So this is very simple. So the first thing I'm going to do, let us go back to the top, cover page. Maybe I'll just put my cursor there. So the first thing I'm going to do, in the home tab, we go to paragraph so that I can put the paragraph markers like that one. So then I go downwards to where I want my page number 1 to start. So I'll just go up to the chapter 1 here. Here in chapter 1, now I'm going to put the cursor right before the beginning of the title, chapter 1, there. So after putting my cursor there, what I'm going to do, I will go to the layout tab there. Then I go to breaks. Then I go to next page. So I've created a section break. So if you move to the page on top of it, you will see this information, section break, next page. So after putting the section break, we are still at the same point right before chapter 1. So you just go to insert, then page number. Let me choose at the bottom of the page, play number 2. So as you can see, nothing has happened. You see my chapter 1 is having number 8, but I want it to start with the number 1. So this is very easy. What I'm going to do, right here in the design you are seeing, link to previous. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disable it. So I'll just click the gray link to previous, so that I disable it, like that one. Then I can just close my head and footer. So I'm still at the same point in chapter 1. So I'm still at the same point. My cursor is right before the beginning of the chapter 1 title. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert again, then page number. Then I click format page numbers. Then I say start at number 1, like that one. So my chapter 1, when you move downwards, you'll see it is page number 1. The next page is page number 2. The next page is page number 3, like that one. But the pages on top of my chapter 1, still nothing has happened. As you can see, this one is number 7. So what I'm going to do, I'll just go back to my page where I want it to be Roman number 1. My second page, this one, a declaration. Then I'll put my cursor right before the title, declaration, at the beginning of it. So I'm just repeating the steps. So I'll create another section break. So what I'm going to do, I will go to section break. So I'll go to layout. So layout, then breaks, then I'll choose next page. So that I've created, this one is a different section. The page starting with declaration, this one is a section on its own. And then the cover page on top, this one is a section on its own. So what I'm going to do, I'll just put my cursor right before the beginning of the title declaration. This is where I want my Roman number 1 to begin from. So I'll go to insert, then I'll go to page number. Page number, we should be on bottom of the page, and I'm just repeating the steps like that one. So I'll just disable it, link to previous, like that one. Then we close header and footer. So what I'm going to do, I'll just go back to insert again, but I'm still at the same position. Insert, then after inserting, then I'll go to page number. So here I'm going to format the page numbers so that it will start with Roman numbers. So the page numbers, I want them to be Roman numbers. and I want it to start from Roman number 1, then I click OK. So when you look at my declaration page, as you can see, it is now Roman number 1 down here. It's Roman number 1. Then the page following it is Roman number 2, Roman number 3, abstract Roman number 4, table of contents Roman number 5, abbreviations Roman number 6. Then my chapter 1 is number 1, going downwards, number 2, number 3, number 4, like that one. So we are remaining with one step. So we are now at the cover page. Let me go back to the cover page. You see, the cover page has a number, but I don't want it to have a number down here. My cover page has a number, but I don't want it to have a number. So I'm going to remove that number. The thing I'm going to do, I'll just click on the footer where the number is, like that one. Then after clicking the footer, I'll go to insert. Then in insert, I'll go to page number. Then I click remove page numbers, like that one. So after removing the page number, as you can see, this is my cover page. It doesn't have any number. The number is gone. Then the second page following it, which is declaration, is my Roman number 1, acknowledgement Roman number 2, dedication Roman number 3, abstract Roman number 4, table of contents Roman number 5, list of abbreviation Roman number 6. Then my chapter 1 is my page number 1, then page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, like that one. So, and we are done with putting page number. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also hit the notification bell so that a lot of important things you will not miss a lot of it. So thank you guys.